When we think about behavior, we often think about the management of it, behavior management. Today, I want you to kind of take that management piece and set it over here for the time being and really focus on intervention. What is intervention? Intervention is purposeful teaching of skills that hopefully alleviates the need for us to have to manage you. I'm going to put it in a couple ways here to help you understand it the way I've been able to see it, and it's made it a lot easier for me throughout the years. When a child misbehaves and really creates some problems for us in our classrooms and in our school, we look at how to manage that, usually through some sort of consequence model, which holds the child accountable. Nothing wrong with that. But the other piece of that has to be intervention. I want you to start thinking about intervention as unconditional. Why is it that we often insist on putting a plan together that asks a child to earn something that they might need unconditionally in order to change that behavior? The example I'm going to give you today is attention. That child who really seeks a lot of attention, wants to dominate the conversation, really wants one-on-one time with you, oftentimes doesn't know how to come to you and say, I really need some time and I don't know how to ask for it. They create a disturbance. So we often resort to a plan that says, if you get X, Y, and Z done, you'll get to have lunch with me, or you'll get to go out and shoot hoops with somebody else in a small group. And they have to get so many points to get that. The problem, though, with that plan often is that it makes the intervention a condition of the behavior that you demonstrate because you need the attention anyway. So I want to hold you accountable for when you seek the attention when it's not a really good time for that. But I need to be thinking about giving you the intervention without that kind of condition attached to it. So that becomes your learning process. It's no different than this. If I have a child who has a difficult time with reading, for example, they may be assigned to another service to get some specialized reading. But if they behave poorly, we never say, you're not going to reading today because your behavior was poor. But it's very easy for us to say, if your behavior was poor, you don't get to go shoot hoops. So I know that some people really struggle with that because they see it as a reward for bad behavior. So it's all about our timing as well. But if we say every Wednesday at 1 o'clock, you get to go shoot hoops and play basketball with whomever in a small group or one-on-one with a teacher, that's intervention. We don't take that away from you for misbehavior. It's a different way of thinking.